I really, 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 really hope that this video finds the right people. Um, as you know, or if you don't know, I'm 18 years old. I live in the UK. I'm African, and I help people make money online because I have made money online. And every time I talk to people, friends or family or people in general, I love to talk about money online, right? I love it. How to make money online, I just love it, right? And that's the type of person I am, and that's the personal brand that I'm building right now, which is doing very successful considering I started 2 months ago. And I really hope that this video finds the right people. Now, I will be honest, I have never always been, or I've always been this type of person. I haven't always been, the type of person that is social. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, pull up, bro. I've never been that type of person. I've always been someone who loves, I have a passion for learning how to, I have a passion for learning. I love learning, and I love learning how to the different ways of which you can make money. I don't, obviously money is nice and stuff. Money is good to have, it's a tool, but I love learning new ways to make money, because when you have that skill, you become a very valuable person, right? When you become someone who is able to make money online, you become very valuable. And that, I just want to be that type of person. I want to be a source of information for people to come to when they learn how to get money, or when they want to learn how to make money online. Because I was a kid, right? I was young, right? And I started this when I was like 11, 12 years old, and I was young, and people would say, yo, Nathan, how do I make money online? And whenever they would come to me, I'd really enjoy that feeling. I love that feeling. It's kind of like going to the gym. When when you go to the gym, you get your muscles and stuff, and you go and do your, and then you go out into the public, right? And you just see people like start, oh, you're now big, you now have muscles, and the females will be like, yo, she, you know, I, I'm sure you feel good, or you would feel good if that has happened to you. You'd feel good, or if that hasn't happened to you, you would feel good, and you know that, right? It's just, that's just kind of how I want to be. And that's my brand. That's what this channel is about. That's what I talk about. I help people make money online because I've become known for that. I'm the person who, when there's the person who knows how to fix everything, and then there's let's say the tech person, or the person who is good at sports, and the person who's smart, and I am the person who knows how to make money online. That's me. That's my brand. You have your own brand. And if you're watching this video, I'm probably guessing that you are someone who wants to either to make money online, you're either starting your venture, or you're in the middle of your venture and you're stuck, and you've tried all the sorts of ways to make money online. I'm going to solve that for you. And no, this is not going to be those videos where, where the guy says, I'll solve it, you'll make money today, and then you do everything he says, and the next thing he says, pay for a course, or you do everything he says, and then he comes up with some BS. That's not me. Obviously, I'm not saying you will make money on this video. If you want to learn how to make money, there's a trading video that I've done, and it's now sitting at 2.2k views. Go watch that video, and you would, if you watch that whole 1 hour 54-minute video, you'd probably get some value from that. But yeah, let me get back to what I was talking about. I've become someone who has learned how to make money online, and I teach people about it. But at the same time, I haven't always been that type of person to like be social. I wouldn't say I'm antisocial. I'm a very, people say that they love talking to me, right? They probably love it because we talk about money, if I'm being honest. But they say that I'm someone who listens, and I'm someone who, like, I want people to talk. I want people to give me information. I'm a sponge, right? I'm a sponge. I don't know why I'm looking around. I don't have a sponge in my room, but I'm a sponge, right? Even if I know more about that topic of what that person is talking about, I keep quiet and I just listen to what they have to say, because what if I learn something from that guy? And that's a habit that I found after learning and doing it. After doing it, I learned that that's something that rich people do, you know? Rich people, like people that came from the struggle, would learn something from a homeless guy. There's a guy sleeping on the street. They wouldn't go and say, "Oh, I know this and this." They'd go and learn from the homeless guy, and start a business from that. You know, that's just the type of person I am. And I hope that if you're watching this video, you can become that type of person that helps people to, for whatever, you solve problems just by listening to people, keeping your mouth shut, right? Another point I wanted to talk about in terms of this video, finding the right people, is that you are not alone. Remember when I was saying I'm not a social person, or I'm not like the average everyday, yo, bro, what's up, bro, guy? That's not me. I'm a very, I'm a lone wolf type of person. I like to be alone. I like to be in my own space for a long time and just work constantly like a monster. I work like a beast, right? You can see right now my eyes are red. It's 1:48 in the AM hours, 1:48, and I'm recording this video. This is the third video I'm recording today, right? I record 3 videos every day, and the first one of these 3 batch recordings is the first one is, I think it's titled, or I believe it's titled, I recorded this video because I didn't want to, and that talks about being comfortable, being uncomfortable. But yeah, I record 3 videos every day. That's just what I do. That's my work ethic. I don't edit them because I don't have the time to. If I had the time to, I would, but I don't have the time to edit them. And I prefer it like that because it makes me more genuine, right? I am locked in my room by choice, right? Not because I'm locked. I'm locked in my room by choice. And I love it because it allows me to work and to make money online. And it allows me to teach people how to make money online. And it allows me to show people that if they are not someone who looks at people and wants to be like that person, and like you hear people talk, oh, I want to go to uni, I want to enjoy my youth, I want to get a degree, I want to work. When someone says that to me, I really don't like, I would be happy for them, right? But I don't enjoy it. I can't imagine looking at myself and having to, get my degree, get in debt. Or if you're not like wealthy like that, if you're wealthy like that, then you can pay, obviously, right? But I can't imagine myself going to uni, getting a degree, then passing, getting the degree, and now going to work for a 9 to 5, right? I can't imagine myself doing that. And I'm really sorry that if you are someone that is stuck in that, if you're someone who went to uni and now you're working a 9 to 5, um congratulations on getting your degree, but I don't think you are fulfilled with your life, especially if you're a man. I don't think you are fulfilled, and I think you want more for yourself. And if you are someone in that situation, I'm very happy for you, because that allows you to step out of that situation. You've done everything, right? You've seen what the game is, right? Don't hate the player, hate the game. You've seen what the game is. Just change your play. That's what it is. Just change your play. You know. Um I've just been a really different person. Last year was a really tough year for me, and I just went quiet. And then there was a point I realized that I should stop being sorry for myself, you know. And I built myself up. Last year was a really really tough year for me, but look at me now, building something, building an empire, you know. And I'm not saying that to flex on you guys, or anything I say is not to flex on you guys. I'm just saying it because it's tough love. Sometimes you need someone to slap the shit out of you for you to like start to open your eyes properly, you know. It's tough love. If you guys took anything from this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, so I can put more content like this out to you guys. Like I was saying, I help people make money online, and my niche is mainly focused around African people, because I'm building a brand, and when you're building a brand, you have to be very niche specific, right? But if I'm being honest, I just help everyone make money online. I'm that type of guy. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, do everything so you can see me more on your feed. And as always, from Africa to the world, let's build wealth. Peace.